Welcome to the Law Offices of Sabrina Lee's YouTube channel. Sabrina is recognized as a State Bar of California Certified Legal Specialist in Immigration and Nationality Law, a prestigious distinction held by less than 1% of attorneys. Today, we have an incredible successful story to share that embodies our motto, Your American Dream, Our Commitment. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Our client and her children faced removal proceedings immediately upon their arrival in the United States, despite her lawful attempt to enter with a tourist visa. After entering the United States, she married a United States citizen and wanted our assistance with obtaining legal status. Tragically, just 3 months into their marriage, her U.S. citizen husband suffered a fatal heart attack. They were in the process of applying for green cards for her and her children, but his untimely death left the application incomplete. Our client was devastated and worried about how this would impact her and her children's ability to obtain immigration benefits. Despite the petitioner's death, our firm remained dedicated to protecting our client and her children. We first secured an order from an immigration judge to administratively close their removal proceedings, allowing us the necessary time to file an I-360 self-petition for her and her children as the widow of a U.S. citizen. This ensured they would not face the threat of deportation while the I-360 was pending with USCIS. Our team meticulously prepared and filed a well-documented I-360 petition. Although the marriage was brief, we provided extensive proof of the marriage and assisted our client in providing a detailed personal account of her relationship. Understandably, our client was anxious throughout the process. However, when she finally received approval 2.5 years later, she knew she had made the right choice in retaining the law offices of Sabrina Lee to represent her and her children. The widow or widower petition enables the spouse of a deceased U.S. citizen to self-petition for immediate relative status using Form I-360. To apply, the following steps and requirements must be met. File Form I-360. The widow must submit Form I-360, Petition for Immigration, Widow, or Special Immigrant, to USCIS. Required evidence. Proof of the U.S. citizenship of the deceased spouse. Marriage certificate to demonstrate the marriage to the deceased U.S. citizen. Death certificate of the U.S. citizen spouse. Evidence that the marriage was not terminated prior to the death of the U.S. citizen spouse. Filing deadline. The petition must be filed within 2 years of the U.S. citizen spouse's death. Eligibility criteria. The petitioner was married to a U.S. citizen at the time of the citizen's death. The petitioner was not legally separated from the U.S. citizen at the time of death. The petitioner has not remarried. Adjustment of status. If the widow is in the United States, they may be eligible to apply for adjustment of status to lawful permanent resident after the I-360 petition is approved. This process allows the widow to seek immigration benefits based on their marriage to a U.S. citizen, even after the citizen's death, without the need for the U.S. citizen to have filed a petition on their behalf before passing away. If you or someone you know is facing a similar situation and requires the expertise of skilled professionals, look no further than the law offices of Sabrina Lee. Contact us at 213-375-8096 or at info@sabrinalee.law.